Hello everyone. Today I will guide you. Installed as Mastercam post-processor. For example, from version 2025 and above, Mastercam post-processor is not available. You export the program will not have. For example, this Mastercam post-processor. I output program G1 to publish this program, right? Choose OK not to post, guys. I'll leave it on the desktop. This means that when you export the post-processor, there will be no post-processor. Error report. Okay yet. That's not possible. Okay. Turn off Mastercam now. Now start installing. You come in here. Turn it off. Turn off the antivirus. After finishing, you are running Mastercam post-processor file. Extract. Right-click to extract. OK. Right mouse to run it. You can leave the default. Done. Default, done. Once done, open Mastercam to run. OK, open the file to export the program. Open. Output. OK. Export to desktop. This is how you get the Mastercam program. Out of the desktop. OK, that's the end of the error message. Mastercam post-processor installation. Why do I need a Mastercam post-processor? Mastercam post-processor from 2022 version. You need to install Mastercam post-processor. I have a new Mastercam post-processor. Okay. Thank you for following up.